The North Shore Real Producers events are awesome. I think it's really nice to just have a group of agents come together from different brokerages, talk to each other, collaborate, take our real estate hats off from negotiating against each other and just be ourselves and chat and get to know each other better so our deals can go out smoothly.
So that was terrific. It was really informative, really good questions. The vibe here with the agents was terrific. There's really wanting to continue to excel. Today's, which happened to be on AI, was a great way to go about that.
And now in one place, I have 5 different target audiences. I look at this and I'm like, the amount of money that people used to have to pay for market research studies, look at how insane this is. The majority of the world does not know this yet. So if you think you're late to the game with AI, I promise you, you're not.
We love partnering with North Shore Real Producers because it gives us access to networking with the top producers. They're invite-only events, so we know we're working with people who are relevant in the industry.
The process of being featured in the magazine was fun, humbling. You get to dig deeper into even your own stories, so it was interesting for me to answer some of the questions that were asked of me. Some of the questions that were about when I started out, so it was a self-discovery on its own. Once in a lifetime opportunity for me, so thank you for that.
We are wrapping up our fall 2025 North Shore Real Producers event here at American Place Casino. It was a great turnout with realtors and preferred partners, just a jackpot of a time.
Thank you to everybody who came out. I'm genuinely excited to watch you take everything that we went over and run with it. And always remember, anybody can post, but only thought leaders publish.
We'll see you at the next event.